Hello guys. I forgot to record when I woke up and then I washed my face. But I'm gonna dress up and then let's go to Bulacan. Okay, I'm done. I'm done getting ready and all, but I'm just waiting for one thing. I'm just waiting for the van to arrive.
Hindi kasama si
Tito Richard, kalahating
Hindi
kwento
mahanap niya.
Alin?
Hindi
Wawa
siya
naman
kasama
Tito
kasi
Richard.
may
Okay lang ako, bro.
activity sa school. Wala pa kung atras ako.
Atras niyo mo. Likod na
Wawa
upo.
na si Richard kalahati. Gusto niya tabi siya kay Tita Aling. Kasama yun sa ano siya nagagalit. Susunod siya sa'yo. Eh ako wala eh. Siguro pag nakita ko sa ikaw mas
Ako na lang ikaw. Sit na uli. Sit na ikaw. Sit na ikaw. Sit na ikaw. Nahirapan ikaw. Nahirapan siya.
wala nakasal. Ay, di ka lang ulit ang dami. Dito kami lang. Sabi ko kung magkakaroon ka na dyan. Hindi na siya makikilala. Friendship na naman, pag-shopping na ako sa amin.
Ito ang big boy.
So, mula na after nun, pinutulugan nila ni Jenna. Hindi na siya pinaano mission.
Maga.
Don't talk to me. With your purpose.
So excited. For 14 minutes na. Oh, wow. I was there. Skibidi toilet. We're almost there. Oh my god, there's a cow. There's a cow. There's a farm here. Damn, you see that? Bro. We're almost there. I'm so excited. Uy. So excited. I'm actually so excited. we're gonna go up. So excited. Oh, damn. Damn. Damn, that's bad, yo. Damn. Oh my gosh, I just bought the microphone up.
Pabiyahe niya kasi. Kaya nagmamadali. Maliit ka talaga eh.
Oh my gosh, I just ordered a microphone from Shopee and it already came yesterday and I forgot to bring it today. Oh my gosh. There's a farm and a pond, I think. There's a big farm. There's a big farm here in Bulacan. Damn. Sorry, my phone fell. But look at the pond. Okay.
Ate, nag-vlog ko na lang. Okay na to. Sabay kain.
Ooh. I love the pond. Oh, it's a bluebird. Oh my gosh. I think that's like a bird. A woodpecker, yeah. It is a woodpecker. Oh my gosh, look at the beautiful ponds. Beautiful ponds. Okay, not gonna lie. I was bored to look at the view while the driver's driving, but I was forced to watch on my phone while the driver was driving. Oh my, I thought those were trash, but that was actually ducks. Oh my gosh. Huh? Huh? Ducks again. This quack quack thingies. I like quack quack thingies. Why is this farm so big? Look, it's still here and there's some other side. There's chicken, banana, chicken, banana, chicken, banana. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, so good. Okay, I'm gonna vlog again when I arrive at the place. Okay, sorry. Okay, we just arrived and we don't know where to park. Yes. Okay, oh my gosh. There's grass and we're here already. We just arrived. And then why is there people here? The pretty. That's my pincer knife. Then hi, Pauline. It's the pool. That's big. Okay, guys, let's swim. Let's swim. Let's swim. Okay, we're in the water. Wait lang, let me get inside. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It feels so warmy. I like it. It's cold. Let me just... Okay, I just wet my hair. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I'm sorry if this video is short and a short vlog, but don't worry, I'll post like other vlogs like when I meet up my friends at April 12th and going to Hong Kong, yeah, and you know, Yeah. And thank you guys for watching so much. And don't worry, I'll make vlogs again.